Good morning and welcome back to another daily vlog. Welcome to the Evolution of T. My name is Tanisha, but my friends call me T or TT. On this channel, we focus on helping women 40 plus take care of themselves so they have more time to give to others. Our main focus is health, beauty, lifestyle, and wellness. All right, welcome to day 3 of the daily vlog. We are on our way to go grocery shopping. As you remember yesterday, we did a refridge, like deep clean. So I cleaned out my refrigerator. And today we're gonna go restock it. So I'm just dressed in some casual clothes. I have on this Anthropologie like white button down that I got like years ago. I don't even remember how long ago it's been. I have on these ASOS balloon pants. Actually, they are really big. I love them, but I need to get them in another size. Excuse me. We're wearing our 12 p.m. studio sunglasses in Copenhagen, and I think I'm just gonna throw on some easy, comfortable shoes with my Adidas snakeskin Sambas, and that is it. We're gonna call it a day. So let's get ready to go to the grocery store, right? Come on, girls, let's go. Back from the grocery store, so let's get everything unpacked and into the refrigerator. So before we put everything away, I wanted to hop back on and show you some things that I'm either excited about or some things that I've been loving and that I had to get again. So first up, arugula, you guys, has had me in a chokehold. I have been eating an arugula salad with avocado, Parmesan cheese, a little olive oil, and lemon juice, and it is everything. And every now and again I'll sprinkle in a couple of different condiments, but that is like the base of the salad, and you can just add whatever you want. And I've been eating this several times a week. So I got like 2 bags of this arugula, and I'll share with you all the recipe maybe in another vlog. I don't know. If I have it for lunch today, we'll share it today. If not, I'll share it another time. But this is had me in a chokehold. Okay, the next thing that I have is this, I don't know how to pronounce it, this seasoning. I'm not going to even attempt to pronounce it, but I have already gone through a bottle of this, and it's called a garlicky and spicy seasoning blend. So good. It says it has minced garlic, sea salt flakes, parsley, red bell peppers, red chili peppers, safflower oil, and you could put this on anything, right? In everything. Another thing that I have been loving, and I don't know, I guess I bought them once. This is my second time buying them, and they were really good. And for some reason, I have just been craving, I don't know if it's the summertime, but I've just been like craving chips, and cold cuts, I should say, like a sandwich. So I was like, ooh, chips, you know, that always pairs well with a sandwich. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of like looking at you guys and you feel a little lopsided. I think I need to get a new tripod because it's just, it's doing this whole thing. It's like, girl. But anyway, I got these to pair with my sandwiches that I've been craving. And then I saw these in Trader Joe's. I've never seen these before. So they are some picante peppers with creamy cheese filling. And these are, I think, will be good. My daughter likes to make like little snack plates. So she'll have like cucumber, cheese, something spicy, something sweet. You know, she likes to make like little plates for her. So, and I was like, oh, these will be good. And I think I had seen these like really popular from Aldi, but every time I would go into Aldi, they would be sold out. So I think these are new at Trader Joe's. Even the cashier was like, "Ooh, those look good." I was like, "I know, girl, I know." Then I saw this, never tried it before, but I was like, "Oh, that looks delicious." So I'm gonna get that. So I got this passion fruit guava, and then I've been getting these sparkling strawberry juice beverages. They have them in different flavors, but these are like cool little treat for my daughter and I. And again, since I've been on this like sandwich kick, I know you guys have seen the viral sandwiches. So I got some focaccia bread to make for a sandwich, and all of my like little Parmesan stuff is falling off of it. But yeah, so I got this for a sandwich. So I'm excited about that. But those are just, I think that's it. A few of the staples, or not staples, but a few of the like fun things that I got for myself. Again, I got myself all of my things to make my iced latte in the morning. Some vanilla, some maple syrup, some brown sugar, even though I didn't really like the Trader Joe's brown sugar. But girl, I do not have time to be going from grocery store to grocery store to get different things. So we just gonna go to one place and pick up what we need. So that is all the fun things that I got for this grocery haul. And then let me share one more thing with you. And then I got these roses and flowers from Trader Joe's. You know Trader Joe's is good for a good bouquet. I am so excited. Aren't they so cute? So I'm gonna make a little bouquet once I put everything away. But super excited about this, right? Got some peonies. It's peony season. Some roses. Some eucalyptus, which smells amazing. And I'm not really sure. Oh, these are mums. And I just love the color of them. So I was like, ooh, let's get those. All right. So we're gonna, after we put everything away, we'll do a little arrangement. All right. All right. Let's put everything away. I switched to my cell phone because it's just a little wider. I'm gonna take all of these leaves off of the roses and just sit them to the side. The leaves off of these beautiful, beautiful roses. I'm not sure exactly what these are called, but I just love the color of them. So I grabbed them. And I think I'm gonna try to open them up a little bit. See how they kind of opened up. Ooh, see, look, they're kind of already. Peonies, I'm going to take off all of the leaves before I put them in. They're really pretty, look. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to these because in a couple of days, they'll just kind of open up on their own. But I'm just gonna take off the leaves because we don't need this. Peonies, so pretty. I'm gonna sit those to the side. And then I have some eucalyptus. I don't need to do much to this. But it smells so good. And then I have these mums. They are just gorgeous. Look at the color. So pretty. I don't think I've ever gotten mums. So I'm gonna do the same thing to these. I'm gonna take off the leaves and then I'm gonna come back and show you how I'm going to arrange it. Because I'm gonna do it a little different. I found this trick hack, I guess you could say, to make them kind of fall in the vase the way you want them to. So let me try that. I don't know about these mums. Look, they just like, you touch them and they just like, all the leaves just fall off. So hopefully I'm not cleaning up mums all week, but they're super pretty. But I just hope that they don't get all over the place. I just love this color combo. Let me know what you think about the colors. It's a little different, but love it. I probably should have got some more peonies just to fill in some more, but I like it, super cute. Guys, I just finished the floral arrangement. Hopefully you like it. I think it came out so cute. I just wish that I would have got maybe another filler flower or some more peonies because I have so many roses and it's only like 4 peonies, but nonetheless, it's still super cute. I hope you find something special to do for yourself this week. A floral arrangement, taking some time to just rest, finding something to do that like fulfills that self-care bucket for yourself. Alrighty. So we are going to get into doing some meal prep. For now, I'm going to share with you my favorite breakfast. So it's pretty easy and simple. So all you need are basically like 4 ingredients. You need some Greek yogurt or any kind of yogurt of your choice. You need a milk. I like to use oat milk or any milk of your choice. You need a half a cup of chia seeds, and then you need some honey. So very simple, and I like this because it's a good base and you can add any like extras that you want, like bananas, apples, strawberries, blueberries, whatever you like. Or you can make like compotes. I think a couple weeks ago, and I'll probably share this with you guys soon, I made like a strawberry puree and mixed it in there and it was so good. But this week I'm just gonna keep it simple so I can add in my mix-ins as I go. And yeah, and then you top it with some granola the next day and your favorite fruits, and it's just amazing. So let's get into making this chia pudding. Thank you for joining me for this full fridge reset. We did a little floral arrangement and a meal prep for breakfast. I will see you guys tomorrow for our next daily vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me what you're doing this week to fill your cup. Alrighty, until next time, bye bye.